afternoon. I made a video. That was my first video. Well,
but wait, this face.
So, but
okay, so this is where I try it again.
So yesterday
Let's see.
afternoon, I tried to make a video, but I posted and everything. But I realized that I had the TV blaring. I didn't even want to watch it really. I was just like. So I ended up sending it to my friends and like my cousins and stuff, and they're like, "We can't hear you," and I'm like, "Okay." So round 2, I'm gonna try this again. So this time, I'm a little bit more prepared. This isn't really a tutorial. I'm just putting on freckles on myself. So let me tell you what I got. Also, I watched Naomi John do this, so that's where I got the idea from. So here we go. Okay, so I got this from Ulta. It's the self-tanning foam. It was like $12, I think, like came to like $14, I don't know. And then I just have, yesterday I didn't even have a cap. Like today I just have like one of my little old Lush caps from a face mask. So I'm so nervous right now. Like yesterday I was just like, maybe because it was like really spur of the moment, and then today I'm just like, okay, I'm trying to legit do this, but that's not me. Okay, so let's see. So I'm just gonna squirt this in here, and then I have this today. It's like a little makeup sponge. I don't know, I'm not really like a makeup person. I kind of like natural makeup. I will wear heavy like foundation because sometimes because of my acne, but no. I kind of just like learned to accept my skin, so that's why you see this big guy right here. We're gonna try and cover him up today. We're going to try and cover him up today. Okay, so here we go. I'm just dabbing this in here, and then I'm just gonna lightly, because I don't know if you noticed, but this has a little tip to it. Can't see right now so much because I just dipped it in. Anyways, I kind of started already, so here we go. And I heard, let's see, I'm gonna start on this part. Let me try doing some on the camera, just so you can see what I'm doing. And they sort of put them on pretty like randomly, sporadically. I'm not gonna try to say it again. Okay. Ooh, that's a big guy right there. Okay, we're just gonna accept that because, ooh, no. Okay, let's just dab that in my skin. That's it. Oops, right there. Okay, try again. Okay, and now I'm just gonna pause the video and draw some freckles on my face, and I will see you right now. Okay, you guys, so now I'm in the car, headed to the store. Just wanted to let you guys know I'm totally not finished. It takes a minute. So, I was visibly shook earlier, there's my mom, in my other video, but